Welcome to Smokey CNC Woodworks. I'm Brian, and today I'm out here playing in the shop. You know, I did a video here 2 or 3 days ago and let it go how to make a germ mask. And I meant nothing more by that than just maybe an easy way to make a mask for somebody that didn't have anything laying around. So I saw, my wife showed me how to do it. I thought, hey, that's cool. Everybody's got to see that. And it was pretty neat. Anyway, another thing I'm going to let y'all know about is on Wednesday, I will let my next podcast go on Smokey Uncuffed. Probably around Thursday, Friday, I'll let the video go on YouTube on Smokey Uncuffed. A lot of you are going to be very interested in this one because I got Daniel from Arms Family Homestead to let me come out to his house and talk to him on my podcast. For all of you guys that don't know, Daniel lives about, I don't know, 12, 15 minutes away from me. I worked with him on the highway patrol for 12 years, so we're actually really good friends. We used to run around together a lot. So anyway, I thought he'd be a good one because his channel has 275,000 subscribers. So he really knows what he's doing. He's got all this rolling good. So I figured I'd get some good pointers from him. Today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do, should I keep it a secret and just not tell you what it's going to be? I'll tell you. It's going to be a wolf. And if it comes out like it did when I programmed it, this thing's going to be amazing. I mean, the detail in this picture that I put into my program and programmed it in came out wow. Now, it's going to take a long time to cut, so it's probably going to be super high speed cutting because it is a long program, but it came out so neat, I thought, man, I got to do that one. That one's awesome. So that's what we're going to do today. We are going to do a CNC'd wolf. Here we go. So guys, that was it. Came out amazing. I did screw up there at the end and forgot to show you that I actually stained it. I mean, I think all the detail in it is just unbelievable. I don't know how close I can get to it there so you can, but all the little cuts in it. You saw me there right after it got done cutting, and I was really contemplating not painting it. There were so many grooves in this thing, I was afraid it was just going to turn out to be a black blob. I didn't know if it'd sand out right. I mean, this looks like how it looked on my, pretty much, it looks like what it looked like on my program. The face is a little darker than what it was on my program, but it still came out amazing. And, you know, this is, I already had the approval on this one with the paint, and so I'd hate to have stopped and not painted it. I guess I could have done it later if they didn't want it raw. But you'll notice that the wood was also darker before I started. I had sanding sealer on this oak, that is an oak. And when I sanded it, you saw the wood got really light. That was taking the sanding sealer off, and that way the paint came off a lot better. I tried to do that on a lot of this stuff. Don't always remember to. Sometimes I get to cutting before I ever even think about it. So this time, fortunately, I'd thought about it. So like I said before, guys, go check out my podcast on Smokey Uncuffed Wednesday. It will be out. And if you don't have a place to listen to podcasts, go to www.smokeyuncuffed.com. All the podcasts are there, or just whatever platform you listen to them on. And that other video will be out about Thursday or Friday with Daniel from Arms Family Homestead. It's a good one. So guys, that's going to be it for this one. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.